One common question and or misconception is the popping sound when it comes to adjusting. That popping is not what we're aiming for when we're adjusting you. It really isn't your bones cracking. It's just gas bubbles being released from the fluid inside your joints. It's the same thing that happens when you crack your knuckles. Sometimes when you get adjusted, that can accompany an adjustment. But luckily, our goal when we're adjusting you isn't to just pop your joints. It's to relieve pressure from your nervous system so that your body can function and heal more effectively and efficiently.